Kenyan professionals have been sold a very convincing lie that the more things you own, the safer you are. Plots in different counties, multiple businesses, 5 different investments running at once. If you own many things, a SACCO here, 2 money market funds, 3 plots, a side business, a car import hustle, and a rental unit, you might feel diversified, but you're probably just busy. Busy managing things that don't move your life forward. Busy spreading money so thin that nothing grows properly. Busy, but still one emergency away from stress. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why owning many things is not the same as building wealth. Why diversification is one of the most misunderstood money words in Kenya, and how high-earning professionals quietly trap themselves in motion without progress. Stay with me, because this might explain why you're earning well but still feeling stuck. If we haven't met before, my name is Manyara Kirago, and for over 20 years I've worked with Kenyan professionals, people employed in places like Safaricom, Unilever, Bamburi Cement, BAT, NGOs, banks, and regional corporates. These are intelligent, hardworking people. They earn well. They do the right things. And many of them come to me exhausted, owning a lot, yet building very little. Today, many of these same clients have dependable rental income. They own apartment blocks instead of scattered plots. They have clarity, peace of mind, and a clear exit from the salary treadmill. What I'm sharing today isn't theory. It's what I have watched work and what I have watched quietly fail. Let's talk about the beliefs that sound smart but are quietly costing you years. Myth number 1. Starting many businesses is safer than focusing on one. This belief feels irresponsible. You're told don't put all your eggs in one basket. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Running 4 small businesses while employed full-time doesn't reduce risk. It multiplies exhaustion. Each business needs time, attention, decision-making, and emotional energy. And when you don't have enough of those, the businesses don't scale. They limp. The hidden cost is burnout, debt, half-built ventures that never mature. Myth number 2. Splitting money across many investments is smart diversification. So you split a bit in the SACCO, a bit in the money market funds, a bit into land, a bit into a biashara. It feels balanced. It feels mature. But what actually happens? Each investment becomes too small to matter. None produces meaningful cash flow. None moves the needle. You are diversified on paper, but stagnant in reality. Myth number 3. Buying plots everywhere is building wealth. This one is deeply Kenyan. Plots feel safe. They feel tangible. They feel like progress. But plots don't pay school fees. Plots don't reduce pressure. Plots don't replace income. You end up land rich, cash poor, and still dependent on salary. That's not diversification. That's delayed freedom. Here is the principle that changes everything. Focused capital beats scattered effort. Let me say that again. Focused capital beats scattered effort. Wealth doesn't come from owning many things. It comes from owning the right thing deeply enough for it to work. Right now, this matters more than ever. Cost of living is rising. School fees don't negotiate. Jobs are less secure than they look. You don't need more activity. You need alignment. When your money, time, and attention move in one direction, results compound. A client of mine called Mwangi is a senior professional in Nairobi. Great salary, good reputation. By the time he came to me, he was operating a small bar that he rarely visited, a car import business he ran together with his cousins, 3 plots in different counties, 2 SACCOs, 1 rental unit with constant issues. On paper, James looked impressive. In reality, he was overwhelmed and always cash tight, constantly stressed, still fully dependent on his salary. His turning point when he admitted something hard: "I own many things, but nothing is carrying me." We simplified everything. He exited 2 of the businesses, paused land purchases, and redirected capital and focus. Today, he owns a well-managed multi-unit apartment property. The property covers its costs and produces a surplus. Salary is now optional, not mandatory. His marriage is calmer. His mind is quieter. Same income, different structure, different outcome. Let me give you a simple framework. Step number 1, decide what you're optimizing for. Are you chasing image or cash flow? Prestige or freedom? Many professionals say they want freedom but invest like they want applause. Clarity here changes everything. Step number 2, concentrate before you diversify. Early wealth is built through concentration, not spreading. 1 strong asset that works beats 5 weak ones that don't. Diversification comes after momentum, not before it. Step number 3, build income before appreciation. Cash flow reduces pressure. Pressure causes bad decisions. Assets that pay you monthly give you time, patience, negotiating power, and ignore this step and stress becomes your financial advisor. Step number 4, separate active effort from passive outcome. Businesses demand you. Passive assets serve you. Busy professionals confuse the two and pay for it later. You might be thinking, "I don't have enough money." Most people don't lack money. What they lack is focus. Isn't concentrating risky? Scattered investing feels safe but delivers silent failure. What if I choose wrong? That's not a money problem. That's a guidance problem. With the right structure and support, this becomes manageable, not scary. Here is what you can do immediately. Step number 1, write down everything you own. That's your assets. Everything you owe, that's your debt, and also your income and expenses. Step number 2, ask, which of these actually pays me? Step number 3, pause all new investments temporarily. Step number 4, define one clear outcome, monthly cash flow. Step number 5, stop guessing, plug into a proven roadmap. These steps don't require you quitting your job. They require clarity. And this is exactly what we do inside the Financial Freedom Coaching Program. We help professionals simplify scattered finances. We build one strong income producing foundation. We help transition from salary dependence to asset-led freedom. No guesswork, no hype, just a clear path. If this message resonated with you, here is your next step. Book a free one-on-one strategy session with me, and in that session, we'll get a true picture of your financial reality. We'll also build a custom roadmap from income to asset, giving you clarity and confidence to act immediately. This isn't for everyone. It's for high-earning professionals who are tired of being busy and are ready to be free. Spots are limited. Now let me ask you, how many things are you currently juggling financially, and which one is actually working? Please tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe, and share it with somebody who you know is busy but stuck. My mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to true financial freedom. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.